Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be super interesting and can be very useful for a lot of you people out there. See, initially I never thought I'll be making a video on this type of product also, but again, hey, tech is not just about computers or smartphones, right? There are several other products in different categories and I definitely would love to cover them. So the product that I'll be showing you in this video is a ceiling fan. But again, this is not just simple ordinary ceiling fan, guys. It's a smart BLDC powered ceiling fan. A lot of people usually at their home have a regular induction motor powered ceiling fan, and let me tell you, induction motor is like old technology, guys. And they're not that powerful, they're not that efficient also, and produce a lot of heat, and they also consume a lot of power. But these new BLDC power technology fans are like the next gen in fans, guys. They offer a lot of advantages and benefits compared to your previous induction motor fans. First thing is they are super efficient, very highly efficient, and because of this you can save almost 50 to 60% of your electricity bill if you replace this fan with your existing fan. That is one great advantage. And second thing is, I've told you that it's a smart fan, right? So it has IoT enabled. That means you can control this fan using your smartphone app, or you can even use voice commands also using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. So it's got some pretty crazy smart features as well. So I've been doing a bit of research in the market, like which smart fan should I get, and I've been hearing a bit about this brand known as Atomberg. So I thought, chalo, why not? Let's try this brand and see how it works. And the model I've ordered is called as Renesas Smart Plus, and here you go. The package is already arrived. So guys, today in this video now we're gonna unbox it and see how this thing performs, and we'll be checking out all of its special features and what is BLDC. I'll be telling you that also in this video. So let's get started. Alright guys, here's that special smart fan I was talking about, Atomberg's Renesas Smart Plus. It's a premium brushless DC fan that is super efficient and saves a lot of your electricity bill. Not only that, it can be controlled in multiple ways. You can either use a remote to control it, or use a smart app, or even can be voice controlled through Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. That is pretty awesome, right? So this fan is actually available in different sizes and colors also. The one we have right now is a 1200 mm variant in gold and oak wood finish. And that is pretty much it. There is nothing else written on the box. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and tear this packaging. There we go. On opening it, we've got some paperwork at the top, which includes a user manual, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. And along with that, you get a remote to control the fan, a pair of AAA batteries for the remote, and here's the main BLDC motor of the fan I was talking about. Keeping that aside, you get two canopies, a fan rod, and a shackle kit. So that's it, these are all the accessories. Now let's check out the main item, the fan blades. The fan blades are really special on this model, guys, especially because of the finishing. They've got a premium wood finish that gives you a luxury kind of feel. Let me just take it out of this cover and show you. My god, just have a look at this beauty. Complete royal oak wood finish. I bet you've never seen fan blades like this before. Build quality is top notch. As usual, the fan blades are made of aluminum with a high quality wood paint finish on it. Yes, the wooden finish is just a paint on it and not the actual material used, so keep that in mind. So you get a total of 3 fan blades in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the star of the show, the brushless DC motor. Damn, this thing is heavy. As mentioned earlier, BLDC stands for brushless DC motor. It's the same kind of motor that you might have usually seen in drones. See, this basically involves series of permanent magnets instead of the usual rotor windings found in induction motors. So these magnets create a magnetic field that interact with the stator and generate torque. That is how a brushless DC motor works, and let me tell you, it offers a lot of benefits, like it's highly efficient, offers precise control over the speed, and reduces the overall size of the motor as well. Sounds pretty awesome, right? What I'll do is I'll just quickly assemble it, fix it onto my ceiling, and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. As you can see, I fixed the Atomberg's Renesas Smart Plus fan and it's all good to go. Installation was very simple. You can just call in an electrician and he'll get the job done for you. So now what I'll do is I'll give you a demo and show you all of its smart features, and then we'll talk about the performance. The Renesas Smart Plus can be controlled in 4 different ways. The first is you can either use the switchboard to control it, or use this provided remote control, or you can even utilize its smart IoT features and control it using Atomberg smartphone app, or lastly you can even voice command it via Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. A variety of options to choose from. And wow, the fan looks very beautiful on my ceiling. I love that black and oak wood color combination. And can you see those LED lights at the center? They indicate the fan speed level and can also be individually toggled on or off, so you can even use it as a bed lamp during night time. So guys, using this remote, you can adjust the fan speed in 6 different levels or toggle boost mode, so you can directly go to the max performance mode. You can even set timer and sleep functions as well. Plenty of options available. The remote can be used up to like 5 to 6 meter range, and you'll have to show it directly to the fan to get the remote working properly. I've been using the fan for the past few days, right? So let me share you my experience and feedback on it. See, previously I was using a regular fan, and compared to that, you can immediately notice a big difference in the performance. There's great air pressure with excellent airflow on this model, and since the fan blades also have a longer length of 1200 mm, they can easily cover a wide area or a room. Most of the time I was using it in the 4th or 5th speed mode, but it also offers a special boost mode also for max pressure and performance. I was quite impressed with the results. Now let me tell you about the power consumption and the savings. It's a 5-star rated highly efficient model that consumes only around like 30 to 35 watts of power compared to the regular 70 watt induction motor fans. So see that here only you're saving almost like 50% of your electricity bill. The brand says that by replacing your old induction motor fans with this one, you can save around like 1000 to 1500 rupees per year. That means if you calculate economically also, within 3 to 4 years you can easily recover the amount that you've invested on this fan. There's one more benefit I forgot to mention. If you have an inverter at home, this fan can run for almost like 2 to 3 times longer duration compared to a regular fan. That is also pretty awesome, right? We're getting a lot of benefits by upgrading to these new BLDC fans. I'm actually planning to replace all my other fans also at my home with these models only very soon, because they look quite stylish, are very powerful, saves your power bill, and also offers smart features. Now coming to the smart features, this is an app that you need to install on your phone to control the fan. The name of the app is called as Atomberg, and it's available on both Android and iOS. And from the app you can adjust a lot of things in real time, like change the fan speed, toggle LED bed lamp, set timer and sleep functions also. Not to forget, it also supports Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, right? So let's put that to a test as well. For this, you'll need to enable Smart Life skill from any of these platforms, then log in using your Gorilla app details, and that's it. You're all good to go.
Switch on Gorilla Fan.
There you go. So that is how it works.
Set Gorilla Fan to level 3.
Voice commands work flawlessly, and I face no issues anywhere. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video. It's a pretty good fan that offers several benefits and smart features, and the brand says that it has a lifespan of around like 15 to 20 years. But the only thing is, the fan is a bit expensive in the market right now. The Renesas Smart Plus is the top end model and costs around like 5200 rupees in India. But they do have other models also without the smart features costing around 3000 rupees. I'll leave links for all these in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to learn a lot. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.